inspiration sa bawat Pilipino at posibleng hindi lang Pilipino dahil may pagkakataon po na ang isa sa mga winners natin today ay maging global winner. Yes, worldwide po ang arts contest ng BSBF. Our bright smiles can reach every corner of the world. At ngayon, na-award na natin ang winners sa ating arts contest. Oras na para malaman natin ang winners ng Brush, Brush, Brush Dance Challenge. Pero bago natin in-announce ang winners, pwede ko ba kayong maimbitahang sumayaw? Pwede ba tumayo ang lahat? Everybody stand up! Tayo ang lahat, sayaw tayong lahat. Bago natin i-announce ang winner ng Brush, Brush, Brush Dance Challenge.
Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. Chiki, 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 stop, papagising. Brush, brush, brush.
Dalawa.
Tanghali, brush, brush, brush. Tatlo. Tulog, brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Chiki, chiki, chiki.
Very good! Ng Brush, Brush, Brush Dance Challenge ay mananalo ng prizes para sa improvement ng inyong audio-visual system sa classroom. Very good kayong lahat dyan. At bago natin i-announce ang ating winners, may we call on stage representatives, our panel of judges here on stage. We have Miss Catherine Lee and Mr. Please join me here on stage as we announce the winners of the Brush, Brush, Brush Dance Challenge. For the information of everybody in this covered board, ang criteria for judging po natin ay number 1, thematic relevance and value for 40%, originality and creativity for 30%, and artistic merit and calendar suitability for 30% for a total of 100%. Kaya, makakasama po natin ngayon sa entablado ang dalawang ating mga judges na nag-decide kung sino nga ba ang may pinakamagandang dance performance ngayong umaga. Muli, ang mapapanalunan po ng ating mga winners ay 10,000 pesos, 14,000 pesos, and me is Miss Catherine and Sir Harry. Thank you so much. Do you have a message for the kids who joined our contest today?
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat mga bata. And congratulations naman.
Thank you, ma'am. How about you, sir? You have a message for our kids?
We are inspired by your energy. Awesome performance. Really enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Tama. Their performances are very, very inspiring. Did you have a hard time selecting the winner? Yes, very hard time, of course. Ngayon, hindi pa po natin patatagalin pa ang announce the winners of our Brush, Brush, Brush Dance Challenge. Are you ready to know the winner? Yay! Let's begin. For our second runner-up, congratulations to Grade 2 Down! With an average score of 91.40. Grade 2 Down will get 10,000 pesos! Also joining us on stage is Dr. Rabbit!
Brush, brush, babago matulog. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Chiki, chiki, chiki. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate.
91.46%. Very good!
Go, go, go!
Everybody stand behind the check. Sa likod ng check, hawakan natin. There we go. Forward tayo, kids. Everybody forward. Forward. 5 steps forward. Come on. Everybody, go forward and compress to the center. Everybody compress to the center. Congratulations, grade 2 done! Our second runner-up for the Brush 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 Dance Challenge. Everybody say bye-bye, Dr. Rabbit. Bye. Okay, let's do this. Let's go on the first runner-up of the Brush 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 Dance Challenge. Can everybody say smile? There we go. 1,000 pesos for the class audio visual 20 grand. Congratulations to grade 1 Ilan Ilan.
Brush, brush, brush to keep bad days away. Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush.
Grade 1 Ilan Ilan receives 93.3% on average, over 100%.
Brush, brush, brush.
Hi, congratulations.
Go na, go na.
Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush to keep bad days away. Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. Ching, 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 stop. Brush, brush, brush.